Hey guys, I am so excited about today's video. We are headed into Big Lots. I have heard from a million people. This is like Kirkland's meets Pottery Barn meets the Prices of Wad-Mart. I cannot wait to see what they have inside. Let's do this. What? There's like legit furniture here. And all this cool patio stuff? No way. This is really nice. Price cut $700. That is like the best deal I have seen anywhere, even compared to like Overstock. You get this and 2 chairs along with 2 ottomans. Weather resistant plastic? Y'all, I am sold. And all of these pillows are buy one, get one 50% off. That's a great deal. That means these are just 10 bucks a pillow, which is really good for UV resistant pillows. They also have lots of outdoor patio rugs, great prices. I'm not kidding, they are really, really big. I learned this from Rebecca Robeson. You want the bigger, oversized rug to complete the space. I think I'm gonna come home with this one. Look at how adorable this sofa set is. And look, it's only $400. That's a really good price. And better yet, it is in fact comfortable. So I guess I always like knew this, but didn't really realize how much there was. So 3 items for $200? That's crazy. Something like this at Restoration Hardware would be thousands of dollars. This is super nice quality. It's just like Instagram, gorgeous ladder bookcases, these rustic shelves, $70, 80 bucks. This is such a good deal. See, this is what I think of when I think of Big Lots, like knockoff Lazy Boys, just all in a row. So it's still kind of that, but there's also a lot of really great stuff here. Bananas. These normally retail for so much. They're just $45 here. You could not even DIY it for that price. So you're telling me that this is only $15? You guys, I am loving Big Lots. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me having some fun in a store with super cute stuff. Look at this. How cute. This looks like a DIY, but for $16, it's probably cheaper just to get it here. Adorable. Look, they have this whole little section here. I love this look and this color combination. You cannot go wrong with that $10 price point. So gorgeous. All this art channels its inner Kirkland's and it's like half the price. This is adorable and on clearance for $12.50. All right, these mirrors are so trendy right now. They are all over Instagram, just $20. I love that. Now you watch this vlog and tell no one about it. Big Lots is our little secret, okay? Look at this, so many options. This is so cute. Like they have this whole little farmhouse section with all these really cool, kind of almost like a Ray Dunn inspired look. I love it. Those canisters are gorgeous. And let's talk frugal for a second. Finding really nice kitchen towels is so hard to do. These are great quality and $8 for 3. This is an awesome deal. I love these frames so much, you guys, and they are 10 bucks. For a substantial, large frame like this, that is really a good deal. And that one's 14, and they have some other more rustic ones right there. I mean, you guys, I think I found my spot, the organization aisle. I love all of these. Look. So these are like $7 and $8 a piece, which is really, really good. So this would add a lot to the inside of a laundry room. These laundry hampers are stunning and they're just $24. They have tons of organizing stuff here. Lots in like the really rustic kind of farmhouse look. Look how pretty these are. And all these are like 12 bucks. Collapsible dish drainers. These are really great handled storage for inside of cabinets, especially up high. Even their command strips are a good deal. This is amazing. Yes, please. Oh my goodness, I am now a Big Lots Rewards member and I totally bought a patio furniture set. That place was great. So many amazing deals on furniture and home decor. I was chatting it up with one of the managers, Bill. He's super awesome, and he was telling me how they got a new CEO, so they're revamping all of the stores, and this is the new look for Big Lots because it did not used to be like this. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely leave it a big thumbs up. I hope it's helpful if you're trying to decorate your home on a dime, and be sure to subscribe because I want to see you in the next video. I'll catch you there. Bye. Here's our back patio. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up if you want to see what the furniture looks like out here. I'm so excited to get it in. And there's Owen in a diaper. What you doing, buddy?
I'm on a truck.
Get it, Owen!